BlueFolder equipment tracking. BlueFolder's equipment tracking allows you to easily manage your customer's equipment. An example of customer equipment might be an air conditioning unit, a generator, or any other equipment that you service at your customer's site. Let's take a quick look how you can manage equipment with BlueFolder. To help you manage your customer's equipment efficiently, BlueFolder houses equipment information in two locations. The first location is inside the customer profile in BlueFolder. Navigate to your Customers tab, find the customer in question, and simply click on the Equipment tab. Here you can see this customer has two pieces of equipment that we service for them. One is a hot water heater and the other is a TV. To access more information for a specific piece of equipment, simply click on the equipment name and drill down. For this equipment item, we can see important data such as manufacturer, model number, serial number. You can also track where the equipment was purchased and when, and if the equipment is covered by a warranty. In addition, you'll have access to all the service that you performed for this specific item. If you do routine maintenance on equipment items, you can set the next service date and interval by editing the item. In this case, we'll set our next service date to March 3rd, 2015, and we'll indicate that we service this item once a year. With the next service date set, you should expect to see all equipment that's past due for service or upcoming for service at your service dashboard. As you can see here, we've got one equipment item that's past due for service. By clicking on the link, we'll be taken to a short list of all the equipment that's past due for service. At this list view, you can also filter all equipment that's coming up for service or again that's past due for service. To open a work order for this equipment item, simply click on the item name and open a new work order. If we've set the service interval, you'll have the opportunity to reset the next service date when opening this work order. In the options, you can keep the existing service date, you can move the service date, or you can pick your next service date. To open a work order for this piece of equipment, simply fill in the description, any additional information that will help your staff. The equipment is already attached to this work order, and save and assign. The second place BlueFolder displays equipment information is on the Equipment tab. The Equipment tab will show you all of your customers' equipment. You can also filter and sort this list to help you better manage your customers' equipment. Once you've entered your customer data within BlueFolder, you can also access reports to help you manage your equipment. These reports can be printed as well as exported to Excel. If you have specific information that you'd like to report on, create a custom report. If you have information for equipment that BlueFolder doesn't have fields for, you can customize your equipment by going to Settings, General, and Equipment. Here you can see the built-in fields and the value list that you can customize, as well as add any custom fields that you may need. For questions or more information, please contact support@bluefolder.com.